Let's see how to enable SQLite extensions in PHP and to work with databases in Laravel. So the first step is to locate your php.ini file. In my case, it's in this PC, local disk C, and PHP 7 folder. So once you've located your php.ini file, right click and open with Notepad or Notepad++. So I have Notepad++. So once you open the php.ini file, locate your dynamic extensions area and start uncommenting anything with the word SQL in it. So I found out that there are 8 extensions with SQL in it. So the first one is this, the mysqli.dll, and the next one is the odbc.dll, and this mysql.dll, pdo odbc, pdo sql, pdo sqlite, the pgsql, and the sqlite3.dll. So once you've uncommented the extensions, save them, save the file, and then close it. So to make sure that this works, open your PHP Storm and create a new Laravel project. I've already done it. So once you've created your new Laravel project, make sure that it's running. I'm going to edit configurations, add a PHP script template, name it server, and I'm going to locate the artisan file. And make sure you give your argument serve, and then actions to launch a web browser in your local host. I'm going to run. And make sure Laravel is running in your local system. Now that we have confirmed Laravel is running, let's go ahead and create a database file and change our .env folder and test the connection. The first step is to go to your database folder and create a new database file. So the name should be database dot any database name and .sqlite. So that's the extension for an SQLite database, and let it be empty for now. And go to your .env file, and here in the db underscore connection, change the MySQL to SQLite, that is SQLite, and then add a new database. And so here, copy your absolute path of your database file that you created. To do that, just locate your database file and click on copy path and just paste it. Once you've done that, save it. Save your .env file, and then go to your terminal and then type php artisan migrate. So this should update your database and create a new database in your Laravel project. So To make sure that the database is working, select the database file and go to View and Tool Windows. Click on Database. Here, click on the plus sign, Data Source, SQLite. So here, the first time you're doing this, you might have a small message here stating that you have to install a few drivers, and click here to install them. And it's just a matter of clicking it, and the drivers should install automatically. And then you should see this here, the SQLite driver. And I'm going to go ahead and locate my database file in my project. It's in my users. PHP Storm projects. Database, and this is the file that I created right now. I'm going to click here and click on test connection. So once if your test connection is successful, that means you have SQLite 3 extension enabled in your PHP and that it's successfully working. And click on apply. OK, and you should be able to see your database here with your schemas and your tables. So after this, make sure you watch Professor's video on this week's NJIT Moodle thing. So he'll be able to help you with the user login, user logout, and all the other stuff. Thank you.